Hey people, so this particular video is a review of this movie called When Annie Gives It to Those Ones, which was apparently like it was written by Arundhati Roy and it is Shah Rukh Khan's first film. But do yourselves a favor, people, and avoid this film. Like, A for avoid. I think 1 hour 53 minutes of your time is precious. Yeah, even if it's during the lockdown period, we are already suffering enough. We don't need to watch a film like that and suffer still more, because basically this movie is set, it was made in 1989, but it is set in 1974 in an architecture college. Yet my major grouse against this film is, uh, honestly, I'll just be honest, it's very disrespectful. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know, like they are trying to poke fun at the faculty that might have been there at that point or whatever, but it's not done in a classy manner whatsoever. It's done very like, I don't know. Yeah, I watched this film because there's this film critic who says that this is among her top 50 favorite movies or whatever. She's every day on Instagram, she posts something saying that this is a film you have to watch and all. But 1 hour 53 minutes of my time just like gone waste. Yeah, I mean, like, seriously, I normally I give very positive reviews, but this movie, you can spare yourself trauma. So I will also not torture you all more with this video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.